I just remembered something. This is going to be a lot of these videos. I just remembered something. At-home remedy for a cold or the flu, whichever. I've spent a lot of time locked up. It's no surprise to anybody. So, okay, this is going to be weird. Black coffee, instant. Yes, it has to be instant. Take 3 spoonfuls, and yes, this is a lot of caffeine, but I'm telling you, there's science behind this, and it works. Take orange peels and heat them up until the oil starts coming off of the orange peels. Mix in black pepper. Yep, it's difficult to drink. Black pepper, coffee, and orange peels. Believe this or not, it will destroy a cold in a couple days flat. Literally. I tested the theory, social experiment, like 80 people. It works.